phone up to her ear. Is it playing, Nikki? You ought to set her up a little playlist on there. Oh, what the fuck? How'd that happen?
Sing it. Oh, it's the Nicki Minaj part.
No kill, bitch. I quit first. Nope. How'd that go? Yes, I did. He flew.
The birthday is far away. Oh, everybody on ground, it'll break down.
Hi, buddy. What's up?
Oh,
Huh?
everybody on ground,
Yeah, I know. I gotta
it'll
be in there.
break down.
What's that?
Get on fire!
It's okay. In any case,
Get on fire!
what's that?
Fire!
Well, if you guys want to, neither one of y'all work tonight, do you? Oh, fuck yes, dude. Let's go up to the lookout point at the falls, dude. Let's do that. Y'all go check out that movie, and then let's go do that afterwards. All right, buddy. All right, man. All right, man. I will. I'll give y'all a shout. I shouldn't be in there too long. It probably won't be too busy tonight. You saw how quick they got me out of there last night. But all right, man. We'll holler at you whenever I get up out of there. All right, dude. Later. This kid is on it, man.
What part was that? You changed the song, huh?
Thank you.